But everything is set na, and I'm so excited to meet each and everyone. I'm Dr. Ceci Fajardo Apostol. I'm the Chief Executive Officer, CEO of Bastana Properties and Development Corp. Galing po kami sa Baguio at talagang super excited po kami ngayon na dumating dito sa inyo.
Yes!